There are hundreds of decisions that you'll need to make on your next renovation or landscape project, and hundreds more if it's a new custom home. But there are really only two important ones that you need to answer first. Who and how. Why? Stay tuned. Jake with JWK Design here, helping families just like yours create their comfortable, modern home. I'm taking a little break outside on a very balmy New Year's Day. Hopefully you've been able to take some time over the holidays, spend with family, and to plan out the new year. I've spent a little bit of time this week doing just that before kids are back in school and client work kicks in and general busyness of life takes over. And that got me thinking that a renovation or a custom build landscape project is no different. Well, it seems to be only once a year that we take a step back and think about what we've accomplished and what's important going forward. Really, every project, big or small, kind of starts out the same way. So before you start looking at images online, and certainly before you start selecting tile, even before you call a designer, answer the question of who. Who are you planning this renovation for? Is it just for yourself? Is it for your family? Is it for a growing family? Is it for the future where one or both of your parents might be moving in? Do you have a dog? I was able to carve out a little niche for Bugsy's dog crate in our home here. If you're planning on hosting a holiday in the coming year, how many family and friends would you like to host? And second, how? Not how should we move the walls around, or how big should the addition be, or how much is it going to cost. Those are all details that you'll work through with your designer and contractor. But ask yourself, how would you best like to live in your home? If square footage or even budget were no option, how do you see yourself living in your dream home? How would you be able to spend better time with your family if you made changes to your house or property? Or how would you be able to maybe spend a little time on your own getting into hobbies that you've always wanted to do with a dedicated space? It's always good at the start of any project, just like the start of any year, to take a step back and think about what's really important to you. Hit that like button below and subscribe so you know all about future videos. Have a happy and healthy new year. Until the next video, see ya.